Okay, in this short video, we're going to look at just how to set up a quick black and white tracing. In this case, we're going to be doing a tracing that shows contrast. So I'm going to do this image here that's called S-curve. We're going to call it flower. Okay, and I'm just going to drag this one here into Photoshop. And I'm really just looking here at how to set this up to do a tracing. So we've got our background right here. What I want to do is make some new layers. So I'm going to do File. Actually, I'm going to go over here to Layer, New Layer. And this first layer I'm going to call Paper. Okay. And I'm going to do it again. Layer, New Layer. And this layer I'm going to call my drawing. Now it's very simple. I'm going to go here on my paper layer. I'm going to grab my paint bucket here under the gradient. I'm going to pick a color. In this case, I certainly don't want green. I'm going to use a little bit of an off-white. So, and again, double check. I'm on my paper layer. My condition is normal. Okay, so now I've made my paper. I can lower the opacity of my paper, like so, to make kind of like a sheet of tracing paper. Now I click on my drawing, and I'm going to go to the brush tool, and I'm just going to grab like maybe a charcoal brush or something like that. Again, when we're doing drawings, I usually want to use dry media brushes, and my good old favorite is the number 5 charcoal pencil. And I'm going to grab a black color. Again, we don't want green. 41 opacity is not too bad. And now I just have to make sure that I am on the drawing layer here. And I should be ready to go. So let's just give it a try. I'll just do a real quick sample line. Yeah, not too bad. Now all I need to do is I'm using my draw pad here. And I'm going to start over here, and I'm just going to do this one leaf, this one petal. And I'm actually thinking that this charcoal number 5 may be a little bit small for what I want to do. This is a nice big image, but it'll probably get the job done. Notice too that when you're using your draw pad, just like with a regular pencil, the harder you push, the darker the line is. I'm not going to be afraid of it here. I see some darker sections down here at the bottom. So I'm going to try and follow those with my contour, etc. I'm just doing this one petal here, and I'm going to do the shadow down here along the bottom, kind of like so. Not bad, not bad, not bad. Now what we can do is just take our paper layer and turn it up like so. And you can see there's what my petal's coming out to look like. And I can kind of go in here and make whatever adjustments by hand that I want to make, because maybe I think this edge is a little too rough. I want to smooth that out a little bit, make it a little darker. I actually want this area to be a little darker. So I'm going to go back in here like so. And then you can go back and lower your paper layer again and continue working. So there you have the simple instructions on how to set up a black and white tracing project. You can use one of the supplied sample images or find a good image, black and white image that shows contrast of your own. All right, good luck.